In this video, you'll learn how to create an API key on ElevenLabs. By the end of this tutorial, you will successfully generate your own API key, which is essential for accessing their services programmatically. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to ElevenLabs by entering quote ElevenLabs.io quote in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the ElevenLabs homepage, which features a clean layout and various options for navigation. Next, look for the section labeled Developers on the homepage. This is typically found in the main navigation bar. Click on Developers to proceed to the Developers area, where you will find tools and resources relevant to API usage. After that, you will be directed to the Developers page. Here, locate the option labeled API Keys in the menu. Clicking on API Keys will take you to the section where you can manage your API keys effectively. Once you are on the API Keys page, you will see a button labeled Create Key. Click this button to initiate the process of generating a new API key. This action will prompt the system to prepare the necessary interface for key creation. When the key creation interface appears, you will see another Create Key button. Click on this button to finalize your request for a new API key. The system will process your request, which may take a brief moment. After the key is generated, you will see your newly created API key displayed on the screen. To ensure you have a copy, click on the Copy button next to the key. This action will copy the key to your clipboard, allowing you to easily paste it where needed later. Finally, ensure you store your API key securely, as it provides access to your ElevenLabs account. Be mindful of sharing it, as it can grant others access to your resources and data. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.